Do you sleep well? Have you heard that a good night's sleep solves any issue? Did you know that not sleeping well increases the risk of heart disease, changes blood pressure, and even causes diabetes? Some people say it even lowers your sexual desire. But even though they know the importance of sleep, some people still can't rest at night. Stress and anxiety are the main causes of poor sleep. According to research, when you are stressed or anxious, your brain doesn't stop working for a single moment, which puts you in a constant alert state. However, just a few drops of essential oil before going to bed can reduce your stress and anxiety, allowing you to have a restful night. For example, lavender helps fight anxiety and helps you relax, reducing insomnia and making your night more tranquil. You can also put a drop of lavender oil on each side of your pillow, or put a drop of it on your fingertip and massage your temples. Another calming oil is valerian, which has soothing properties, helps fight anxiety, alleviates symptoms of nervous tension, and is a great ally of sleep. If you like oils with a sweeter aroma, try sweet marjoram oil. This one is great to lower nervous tension and hyperactivity, regulate blood pressure, and help you have restful sleep. If you want to build a calm and floral atmosphere, you can use ylang ylang oil. It is perfect to create a tranquil ambience for your nervousness, and also helps reduce anxiety, tension, shock, fear, and panic. To improve your sleep, do a simple inhalation with these oils. Apply a drop of your chosen oil on your hands and massage. Then breathe in and hold your breath for around 3 seconds, then exhale. Repeat the process 2 or 3 times. If you have a diffuser at home, try adding 2 or 3 drops of essential oil to it to release the aromas in the ambient. Your room will be much more relaxed and perfumed. If you prefer, you can also use essential oils to massage. In this case, mix 5 drops of your oil of choice with 3 ounces of vegetable oil, like coconut or almond. Do circular and gentle movements for 20 minutes. Did you like these tips on how to use essential oils to improve your sleep? If you have sleep issues, these tricks will certainly help you. Since each oil has a different effect, you'll need to test all of them until you find the one that works better in your case. After choosing your oil, come back here and share your thoughts with us.
If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.